Getting the Afcore.dll error after a software update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. This DLL file is the Adobe Frame Core library. It provides the central layout and document framing engine for Adobe FrameMaker, handling the rendering of complex technical documentation, tables, and multi-channel publishing formats. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. It's important to note that the Afcore.dll is installed as part of Windows OS Core and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Windows OS Core from the official source will restore the correct version of the Afcore to your PC. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Afcore. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for the Afcore.dll, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing the Afcore and maintaining system stability. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Windows OS Core, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.